Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tea infuser travel mugs and bottles that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Pure Zen Tea Tumbler with Infuser, a sleek and elegant travel mug crafted from borosilicate glass. This tumbler is perfect for tea enthusiasts who appreciate a more natural and stylish aesthetic. The double-wall design not only enhances its visual appeal, but also provides insulation to keep your beverages warm or cool for longer than a standard glass bottle. With a capacity of 13 ounces, it's compact and lightweight, making it a great choice for on-the-go tea lovers. The stainless steel infusion filter is a standout feature, allowing you to brew loose-leaf tea, coffee, or even fruit-infused water directly inside the bottle. The leak-proof design ensures you can toss it into your bag without worrying about spills. And the flat lids provide stability, even when the bottle is upside down. While it doesn't offer the same thermal retention as stainless steel models, it compensates with its sophisticated design and ease of use. However, this tumbler is best suited for casual use rather than rugged travel, as the glass material, while durable, is still breakable. It's dishwasher safe, which makes cleaning a breeze. If you're looking for a gift for a tea lover with a preference for natural materials, this is a beautiful option. The Pure Zen Tea Tumbler is an excellent pick for those who value aesthetic appeal and versatility but don't require long-lasting heat retention. Next up at number 4 is the Hemley 22-ounce insulated tea tumbler bottle with Infuser, a large capacity option for those who need their tea fix to last all day. With a 22-ounce capacity and vacuum-insulated stainless steel construction, this tumbler keeps beverages hot for hours and cold for even longer. The brand claims it can maintain cold temperatures for up to 24 hours and hot drinks for 12 hours, making it ideal for long commutes or outdoor adventures. What sets this tumbler apart is its innovative multiple lid system. It features a sip lid for hot beverages and a straw lid for cold drinks, making it versatile enough for tea, coffee, and even fruit-infused water. The stainless steel infuser is easy to use and sits snugly inside the bottle, and the sweat-free exterior ensures a clean, dry grip. The floral design adds a touch of personality while maintaining a professional look. However, note that this tumbler is hand wash only, which might be a drawback for some users. The Henley tumbler is perfect for those who prioritize capacity and versatility. Its robust design and multiple lids make it a fantastic companion for both indoor and outdoor use. It's slightly heavier than other options due to its larger size. But if you're looking for a reliable and stylish tea tumbler that holds plenty of liquid and keeps it at the right temperature, this is a great choice. In the number 3 spot, we have the Pure Zen Tea Thermos with Infuser, a stainless steel option that combines durability and performance. This 15-ounce thermos uses double-wall vacuum insulation to keep beverages hot or cold for up to 24 hours, making it a top performer in temperature retention. It's perfect for those long days at work or outdoor excursions when you need your tea or coffee to stay at the ideal temperature. The extra-long infuser allows for better brewing and steeping, ensuring your tea or coffee is rich and flavorful. The thermos is leak-proof and rust-proof, making it a dependable choice for travel. Its modern design and vibrant blue finish make it stand out, and it comes packaged in a gift-ready box, making it a thoughtful gift for tea lovers. However, it's worth mentioning that it's not dishwasher or microwave safe, so you'll need to hand wash this thermos. This Pure Zen Tea Thermos is ideal for those who value efficient heat retention and a sleek, modern design. Its robust build and user-friendly features make it a reliable choice for anyone who wants their beverages to stay fresh and flavorful throughout the day. While it's slightly smaller in capacity than some competitors, its performance and stylish design make it a standout option. Coming in at number 2 is the Tea Bloom All Brew Travel Tumbler in Thermos. Famously featured as one of Oprah's favorite things, this 16-ounce tumbler is a jack of all trades, designed for tea, coffee, cold brews, and even fruit-infused water. Its standout feature is the two-way stainless steel filter, with ultra-fine 0.5 mm mesh, which offers a refined brewing experience. Whether you're steeping loose-leaf tea or brewing cold coffee, this thermos has you covered. The slimline design is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also practical. It fits most car cup holders and is resistant to stains, odors, and corrosion. The brushed metallic exterior adds a touch of sophistication, while the eco-friendly message of reducing throwaway cups resonates with environmentally conscious consumers. However, it's not dishwasher safe, which is something to keep in mind. This tumbler is perfect for someone who wants versatility in their beverage options without compromising on quality or design. It's a little pricier than some other options, but with its premium build, multifunctional filter, and Oprah's stamp of approval, it's well worth the investment for any tea or coffee enthusiast. And finally, our #1 pick is the London Sip Multipurpose Tea Infuser Travel Mug in Midnight Teal. This tumbler combines style, functionality, and affordability, making it the best overall option on our list. With a 16.9-ounce capacity and double-wall stainless steel construction, it keeps beverages hot for up to 12 hours and cold for an impressive 32 hours. Its innovative two-piece infuser system allows you to brew loose-leaf tea or use it as a strainer for fruit-infused water. What makes this tumbler stand out is its user-friendly design and durability. It's lightweight yet sturdy, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The midnight teal color adds a sleek, modern touch, and the eco-friendly design encourages reusable habits, which is a win for the environment. Priced at $19.95, it offers incredible value for money without skimping on quality or features. The London Sip Tea Infuser Travel Mug is the ultimate choice for those who want a reliable, stylish, and versatile tumbler at an unbeatable price. Whether you're heading to the office, going camping, or relaxing at home, this tumbler has you covered. With its excellent thermal retention, innovative infuser, and sleek design, it's hard to beat in both performance and value. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.